You see, I always say, na eno pay ade baako mienu miensa oka wasem no bi te say ade na mo ye ade nti ena kure asem Kofi ha wani no aka ne saa Kofi kure asem bana wo kan ya to bo ase hwe ya dum pempenso bi e wo Ghana ebedu ba bi no wo mo e wa akoma pa so wo be ye oman ni yie no ye nya wo mo ye oman ni yie. We will not get anybody to develop oman way. Oman Ghana ya said our body mama me the responsibilities and the constitutional mandate of NCCE. A body, a constitutional body like judiciary, a constitutional body like parliament, a constitutional body like the executives. Our modi say, Oman ba Ghana ni Oman ba pa. Now we yankwala wie secondary school. Oh, the mama me say video no. Some of them ewie school ya ewo esuro ya cars. Akwala ni gino no awro na tade no. No de agu school dan anim ho. No wa hye no boss saxos. No de apue no onante. Wo mo a ekwaso akoja man mon get me some of these videos. The orientation of Ghana ni ukwa brochire akwala ni nyina ya the constitution ukwa Singapore, North Korea, China oman no ho do na de ewura akwala nim akwala bia won constitution onyina na yetete no wo school mu na NCCE ko no mo ye education now they are telling us how to behave enti wunyini na wo maye Ghana ni no na wo the love of the country enti sanka galam say yes any na NCCE through Ghana Education Service near the asem okay these are the implications say oman no ensuo no say na eba ensuo ni fi ha when na kokobom enti say o say ensuo no na ekwa ba bia the consequential effect no wa Ghana ni no na beba yeso enti enka ye nyina ye kwaso no akwala no so a wo ba nyina no na onim the effect of illegal mining onim the effect of galamsey the cyanide the mercury sane mani nyina na ye boa wo mo na omo te ase enema hodo a ekoso oman a ye dwen no enti akwala no nyini no na ye the love of the country the pledge the national anthem any the spirit of Ghana ye bag na ye di wura oman ni mu enti onensa da ne kokoso na ye bog God bless our homeland Ghana and make us just say na edaso we say eye honhom na awura ni mu obi edehye no ofiri manhia fie mu a osanyina no ne etete no said ye obesi edi ampaninsam enti obi a ya tete no ofie onkeka saa nsehunu te say saa small girl bi afa na fia pokua na okokotena TV so na okasa na nka akwala awo obi a ni ti wo fie no ye tete no a ye di mpani ntete e na etete no enti onyini ni nyina no na osua oso okua pemni di ande enti otimi tena baiwa sebe nka bema nka ne se oba abaiwa wo papa ewo kunu se wudi kurukura wo relationship mu na wanya wo bia you will have abobo nse fiwa motafoa na watimi bie wa no sebe manu sisimra so se nya wo hene wote kokoso mpa obi a wo chen wo no kasa o kasa ka buo ni anidie e chen so but we de nya obi a o the king ote kokoso pemso adentra fi se onyini no school a okoye no ye ko kire ni book ya nkyere ni nyansa bia ene ye nkwala first tete akwala te akonwa so panidu ha no wasore otikamu no wasore moma ye nhwe the functions of NCCE. Per the Constitution, the commission is to perform the following: develop and maintain with the community the sense of the principles and objectives of the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana as the fundamental law of Ghana. NCCE botaye say, mama oman mano entias ye say, oman na yebu no eye the Constitution of the Republic and eye the Bible, the guide of oman no. Educate and encourage the public to defend this constitution at all times against the forms of abuse and violation. Develop policies for the consideration of government from time to time. Programs at national, regional, district level aim at realizing the objectives of this constitution. Formulate, implement, oversee programs intended to inculcate in the citizens of Ghana awareness of their civic responsibilities and an appreciation of their rights and obligations as free people. Nti, we are Ghana near NCCE, but I say, and yamma won't tears ye. Niama, we ye, so mine bapa. Now with the boamo mine to me konanim. That sense of awareness. Into wo nyini nyina no na nka wo wadwim Ghana ye media wo kwabrochire na wo say oman na japade a timamuni timi ka kira wo say no, this is me, this is my country, the love, the passion a wo mde bo oman no ajapade bibia ho ban si ade Ghana ni maame ni papa obi a say ni bi the okobra wo na so mpafe nam no for the first time over 50 years of this republic. NCCE ese educate o mama no omo so omunya kande ye kra ye omu ye nto omo strike okwa awate office odidi no ada oje bosuma katua no akwakoda onye hwe ka kra woni bi book says ohia nkwala no ntine the suro ni ahopopo ebuo ni anidie eni o mamu miemfa mapani bia bia frɛ radio so no adi atam maiwa wrɔwrɔ wo mo ho ne ati TV so na wo mo to empokua empa na obia abrewa be ho lady pancake. Enti the love of this country is dead adentra because akwala ne kwa no constitution ne kwa no ohun bi da onim na sade onim hwe sa young lady akuapem polo owuro ne hugina ne banim a Ghana constitution no etia sa ye chi ne kotum na ebinim kura ntiase nanso akwala ne wo right say ye bo akwala ketwa ne ho ban because oyo man na japade abrochire nka wo kura wo ba na wudi nkwasasam wo ba yetimi gi akwala no na ye de na kwa akoto ayi home but Ghana de hwe school nkwala mo amohwe Facebook page akwala wo ko school no na tui pio say ya kwase asem say ya ni edit school akwala wa ko school no no otreke enti obeye nurse ni no ogina theater no no so start no otreke nurse ni o no ogina na ogina ayi ofere say theater no otreke police ni what the sasuban we ya na afa no protocol no akwakọ wura police enti asama ba wo ye no no okura camera no so we don't know Ghana oto omani mu oni Ghana adentra because e obi asade say enka say teachings we nyina abekoso ena me no wo ka say the NCCE ya hwe wo munti less than 90 days to election wontis wo bia nam kuremu e bodawuro e yedede ena na meka beginning yetie kurase e yenkwala ayi wo wa rolling time o in the 90s ye ba beto aba wo wa na NCCE kura o moka ebrana so abato brana so ye pe obiara obeye omanyiye ye pe obiara obeye omen ye mpeka labule ye pe obiara then they sing the song no mu krasa pajaro ni bi na horns esisi so omo letters omo de kosa. And now we bring you a warm greetings from the NCCE divisions mon post mame of the Unions of Public Service Workers Union of Trade Union Congress of Ghana, and hereby refer to the above subject matter. The Divisional Executive Council of the NCCE of the Public Service Union by this letter notifying you formally of our intention to embark on an indefinite strike action commencing Wednesday. That is EZRA. The premise of our intention is based on the failure of Fair Wages and Salaries Commission to reconvene for a continuation of our negotiations at a 7-day ultimatum given by the union at the last meeting. You will recall that the union submitted a proposal for Fair Wages and Salaries Commission for negotiation of allowance for NCCE staff since May 2023. However, the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission failed to come to the negotiation table despite several reminders and consultation. The rules of engagement for the negotiation was discussed on May 6, 2024. A request by the union of this time frame for completion of the negotiation was denied. It was not until 23rd July before the Fair Wages reconvened a meeting for negotiation to commence. At the last meeting, roll it up. Let me get the details. The delay in negotiations since submission of the proposal coupled with the actions and inactions of favors that worsened the plight of our members. This is because some of other public workers have been granted different allowances to cushion them from the erosion in the value of CD since 2019. Then when NCCE say, "Wama bra bomu, awie wama se amoakoni edu. Wamu di tro kapre kobo fin. Hwedaya NCCE 14. Dana ni ahwohwe mi wo TV so. Wa ahwohwe mi wo Facebook page. Utie mi wo EZRA 94.1 FM. Oman no, bebi idea ba be wie no. NCCE omo office chochopoa ko wuro mo nkonwa kura bi ni ho. Where regional office oh? Eh? Asante Regional NCCE office. Look at this. Amoko strike. And you see, it's so bad and so sad. So we are no bisa say into my way. When can we think and when can we develop? Maybe I have a bedroom. Eti abusanfo ade we a ekoso no ubisa na wabisa say so can it be better? Can it be better? Can it be better? Can it be better? Oh, eya Eyade ayroho. Eyo. Eyo. Eya because and modern age. And modern age. Enti on my young omo asuya ona said ye say momwa na ye educate. We cannot even resource them. Edu campaign there. We have it. Near talkers. Near Tugu Kronim. Emutundra. Because at the vote to Bebraying. We are near really the people almost why a thing. I only need Boni and Nidia and Famo Mino. It's so sad. Mami enquire on Masona Mene, the regional director. Rasani, a regional chairman for